Good day to you, sir, madam. My name is Erica Estambalo, Filipino. My religion is Roman Catholic. I have 2 children. I am married. My husband is working as service crew. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I am the 4th in the family, and I am college graduate. About my working experience, I work as a domestic helper here in the Philippines. My duties and responsibilities are washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, cleaning the house, marketing, gardening, car washing, and I cook Filipino dishes like adobo, menudo, chop suey, and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes and how to speak basic Cantonese. I love taking care of children because I also experience with my children. I give them food on time, take them a bath every day, prepare them for school. I give vitamins, medicine based on the doctor's prescription, and I love them as my own. Sir, madam, I'm honest, hardworking, trustworthy. Sir, madam, please choose me as your domestic helper because I want to support the needs of my family, and I want to build our own house. I promise to you that I will be good domestic helper to your family, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you, sir, madam.